welcome to night 13 of the Simple Sexy Surprise series. And tonight we're going to have a romantic dinner for two. Let's go ahead and set the table. Today I'm using my ivory tablecloth, and this is a floral arrangement that I made out of Dollar Tree roses, and I just put it onto a white fur rug and put two silver taper candles on each side, so that way we can light them as we eat our dinner. I removed all of the other dining room chairs, so that way it will be no question this is a dinner for two and only two. I'm using mirrored chargers that were DIY, but tonight I've decided to use double chargers and just put the two mirrors side by side, so that way it will just give it more of a dramatic feel. You know I love the sparkle, so the mirrors with the extra bling on it, hey, it looks perfect. The fur centerpiece is setting the mood for the entire table. So if I'm doing a fur centerpiece, you know I'm coming in with my fur placemats. These are some of my favorites. I only can use them seasonally. I try to use them as soon as it gets just a little cool, because they just look like a nice winter's day. So they're so plush. You know, they came from Amazon.com. I will leave the link. They should still have them. On top of my placemats, I'm using clear beaded chargers that came from, efavormart.com. I bought these maybe last year. They're trimmed in silver. So I'm using the fur, the silver, and this is my white and silver plate, purchased from Home Goods last year. They only had 4. I really, really wanted 6, but hey, we work with what we have. If anybody comes across a few, hey, let me know. I'll buy them from you. To stay in the Valentine's theme, I'm using my white heart-shaped plates. These came from TJ Maxx. These were also purchased last year. Guys, this is just a free table. I spent nothing. I'm just using everything that I already have. People are in the house, so, just use what you have. This is the bowl that goes with the plate. So I was able to get the 4 bowls and the 4 plates. And I'm just putting the plate in the center of the heart-shaped plate. You can put your salad or just whatever. We just want it to be pretty and give it that romantic look. Here are my napkins and my new napkin rings. They came from Amazon.com. Red roses. Oh, they are so cute. Maybe $13.99, and just a traditional fold. And then I just puffed up the bottom of them just to give it maybe a little bit more of a rounded look to them. Nothing too complicated this go round. If you were able to watch my after Christmas shopping haul, I purchased from Ross some of the cutest mirrored rhinestone coasters. I'm using these. I'm just going to do the 2 coasters for the champagne as well as the wine goblets. Look how cute they are. So I bought 2 sets of 4. I told y'all I bought them out. What they had, I went ahead and I got them. So here are my glasses, the wine goblet and the champagne flutes. Both of these sets came from, I want to say, Home Goods. I think I went out of state and got these over at our local Home Goods store. I told y'all I have to travel almost an hour. Well, it's a little bit over an hour to get to my nearest Home Good. I either have a choice between Alabama or Florida are the 2 closest one for me. And to complete the setting, we're just going to add the silverware. I normally prefer a taller floral arrangement, But because this is a more of a romantic setting, it's better for me to be able to look into my date's eyes, that I don't have to kind of move my neck around to see what he's saying. So I went with a lower floral centerpiece. The candles, they're just the tapers, so that won't be in the way of anything. But I knew I needed just something more to go on the table because, we don't want to just be too plain. So I'm using these taller candle holders. But what I did this time, I moved them forward so that way they won't interfere with the eye contact, because we definitely want eye contact for a romantic dinner. Everything is set, so let's look, and I hope I get you guys approval. A romantic dinner for two. I added a little extra to the room. As you watch the video, you will get a chance to see another one of my Valentine's Day trees. This is my red tree that I decorated basically red on red. Can you believe we've already made it to 13 days of the Simple Sexy Surprise series? I hope that you have taken a little bit of my ideas and did something special for yourself or someone that you love. Now, as you get ready for this dinner, I told you it's all about the eye contact and the conversation. So, y'all know I think I'm a little actress, so I'm going to show y'all how to communicate with your date for the night. And action. So, when you sit down at your seat, or he pulls up your chair and you sit down and you just kind of sit there and you listen to him talk, listen to his day, but make sure you look into his eyes. Never take your eyes off of him. That's setting the mood. Even while you're eating your food, make sure you're looking at him. This could be your Valentine's Day dinner or your pre-Valentine's Day dinner. But all we know, we are trying to get the mood set. We are trying to give an experience that he'll never forget, even if it is there in the dining room. It's the pandemic still going on. The numbers are up, so we're having to entertain in our homes. Don't drink too much wine. You want to be able to keep your head together. But like I said, do not take your eyes off of him. So just continue to look, listen, and make sure you talk a little bit too. And it's as easy as that. Y'all know what? That was so fun. Here's a look at the dining room with the lights turned down low, and it's nothing but the candle lights and the Valentine's Day tree. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure that you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the first bell up top. Click it so that way you'll be notified each time I upload a video. And to all of my supporters and my subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you for supporting me through this series. This has been so fun and oh so exciting. Keep watching and enjoying, getting a little bit of inspiration. I changed up a little bit tonight. So let me tell you about my dress from Shein.com. I love this red velvet dress. Hey, we can wear it at home. We can wear it to a ball, to any type of event, but it fits perfect. I love it. Make sure you go to Shein.com and see all of the savings and the sales. And ladies, they really have good clothes. I've been quite impressed with them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow night for the finale. Yay!